In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Base44 app. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience under your belt, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to bring your app to the world. We'll keep it straightforward and easy to follow, so you can focus on what truly matters, bringing your vision to life. To get started, go ahead and navigate to base44.com. This is your home base, if you will, for all things related to your app development. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. If you've been working on a project, simply open it up from your dashboard. Accessing your project is crucial because it allows us to make some final tweaks before going live. Now that you're in, it's time to finish off your app. Testing is critical here, folks. Review every aspect of your app to ensure it's ready for launch. A thorough examination will help you avoid hiccups post-launch. Once you've done that, click on the preview button. This feature is a lifesaver. It allows you to test all pages, links, and buttons in a controlled environment. Make sure everything is operating as expected. Trust me, a small investment in previewing can save you loads of time and potential user frustration later on. With everything in place and your app looking great, it's time for the big moment, publishing your app. Look over to the top right corner of the editor. There, you'll find the Publish button. Go ahead and click it. It's simple, but signing off on your work is a key step in making your app available to the public. When you click Publish, Base44 will go to work, building your app and prepping it for live access. Don't worry, this process doesn't take too long, and that's it. You've just published your Base44 app, ready to be explored by users everywhere. Remember, making an app public is like opening a new chapter in your project's life. It's a thrilling transition from development to live use. As people start interacting with your app, consider their feedback as an opportunity to iterate and improve. By following these steps, you should feel confident launching your creation into the world. Take pride in the hard work you've put into getting to this point. Once your app goes live, you'll watch it grow and possibly even evolve based on user interactions and feedback. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to publish your Base44 app. I hope you found it both informative and empowering. Happy app developing, and remember, every great idea deserves its moment in the spotlight.